Hey there fellow plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we've got a special treat for you. We're diving into the wonderful world of Homalomena camouflage plants. These unique and striking houseplants are known for their beautiful foliage and easy care. So, if you want to add a touch of the jungle to your indoor space, stick around for some essential care tips. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our plant-loving content. Meet the Homalomena camouflage plant, commonly known as Queen of Hearts. The Homalomena camouflage plant, scientifically known as Homalomena rubescens, is a captivating and unique houseplant cherished for its striking foliage. Native to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, this plant is aptly named for its heart-shaped leaves that showcase intricate patterns and shades of green, resembling a natural camouflage. These lush, tropical beauties have gained popularity among indoor gardeners for their relatively easy care requirements and distinctive appearance. Homalomena camouflage plants are well suited for indoor environments with lower light conditions, making them ideal for brightening up corners and spaces that may not receive direct sunlight. Their ability to thrive in indirect or filtered light, coupled with their moderate water needs, makes them an attractive choice for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts. With these care tips, these plants can grow into healthy, verdant specimens, adding a touch of exotic elegance to any indoor setting. Care tip 1. Light requirements. Homalomena camouflage plants are relatively low light tolerant, making them great for those less well-lit corners of your home. They thrive in indirect or filtered sunlight. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight as it can scorch their beautiful leaves. Care tip 2. Watering. These plants like their soil to be consistently moist but not waterlogged. Wait until the top inch of the soil is dry before watering. In the growing season, that might mean watering once a week, while in the winter, you can cut back to every 2 to 3 weeks. Always remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. Care tip 3. Humidity. Homalomena camouflage plants adore high humidity levels. To keep them happy, mist them regularly or place a humidity tray nearby. Grouping your plants together can also help create a more humid microclimate. Care tip 4. Temperature. When it comes to temperature, these plants prefer a warm and stable environment. Keep them away from drafts and try to maintain temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. They're not fans of sudden temperature drops. Care tip 5. The ideal soil and repotting. Homalomena camouflage plants like well-draining, peat-based soil. You can also add a bit of perlite or orchid bark for extra aeration. Repot your plant every 2 to 3 years to refresh the soil and give it some extra room to grow. And there you have it. Homalomena camouflage plant care made easy. With the right lighting, watering, humidity, temperature, and soil, you'll have a thriving indoor jungle in no time. Thanks for joining us today on Gardening Glory. I hope you enjoyed learning about Homalomena camouflage plants. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these fantastic plants, please drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow plant lovers. Until next time, keep on growing and keep on loving your green friends. See you in the next video.